In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Coursera account. This tutorial is specifically for those who already have an account with Coursera, so if that's you, you're in the right place. Now let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open up your internet browser and head over to Coursera.org. Type it directly into the address bar and hit enter. Once the Coursera homepage has loaded, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You should see a login button there. Go ahead and click on that. When you click on login, you'll be presented with a few different options for logging in. Coursera makes it convenient by allowing you to access your account using several methods. You can log in with your email, your Google account, your Facebook account, or your Apple account. Choose whichever method works best for you and that you used when you first signed up. For demonstration purposes, let's say you decide to use your Google account. What you'll want to do is click on that Continue with Google option. When you do this, a new window will pop up. This window will display a list of Google accounts if you have more than one saved in your browser. At this point, you just need to select the Google account you want to use for logging into Coursera. If your preferred Google account is listed, click on it. If not, you can add it by entering your Google email and password. After you've selected the appropriate Google account, you'll be automatically redirected to your Coursera dashboard. And just like that, you've successfully logged into your Coursera account. It's important to keep in mind that the process is pretty much identical if you choose to log in with Facebook or Apple instead. Just select the relevant option and follow the on-screen prompts. And there you have it. That's how you log into your Coursera account. If you found this guide helpful, please do hit that like button. And if you want to see more content like this, consider subscribing to this channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you get notified about our new uploads. Thanks for watching and happy learning on Coursera.